Alright, it's October 1st, 2024. We're going to try a lake for just a couple hours this evening, mostly with crankbaits, I think. Just see if I can get better with those. That's why I chose this lake. But actually, the wind's picked up. It was cloudy all day, kind of drizzly, kind of nasty, and you know, it's kind of cool. 60-some degrees. And then I was trying to decide where to go, but about an hour ago, that front kind of blew through, and now we got clear skies. Wind picked up out of the north, pretty windy. I do good on this lake in the wind in October, so thought we'd give it a shot with crankbait, see if we can't do something with that. And if that's not working, we try jerkbait or something else, rattle trap. Yeah. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Going to go excellently. Start on the north side of the lake and then just go with the wind kind of along the drop off and fish the deep, the 5XD and the KVD 1.5 deep around the edge, and then catch shallow with the jerkbait, see which ones are working best. Start with the KVD 1.5 since that's been best for us. See if we mark anything out deeper. There are a lot of these 12 inchers in this lake, so we should catch plenty of fish. Hoping with the deep crankbaits we can find some of those fish that are moving up towards the flat. That's where the bigger fish are. 12.5 inchers are out deep. Might have been 13 even. I don't think so. Time to catch that third fish. Been here about half an hour now. We caught two, and then right away when I tried each of these baits, and then fished a long section of this lake without anything. So I was just about to run, probably will soon. Run back up, go a little shallower, and try a jerkbait and shoot a little square bill. See if there's anything up in the 5 to 8 foot zone. Change these baits really quick before I move. I haven't used this in a while. I use a Jackal Squad Minnow, 95 size. Another area of the lake I like to fish coming up, so I'm just going to stay on this side and try the jerkbait and that KVD 1.5 deep. Maybe the shallow one once we get a little bit of a flat. So once we get to the flat, we'll try the shallow one. maybe 14. Thought he was a couple pounds when he first hit. On the jerkbait, so got like 5 or 6 fish on 5 different baits. Got that spinnerbait again. I feel like I was getting a lot of bites. Nibbles anyway on the other side. See if anyone won't bite it over here. Got like 2 casts maybe with the spinnerbait. Did that for 15 minutes. I'm gonna run up there some pads. I'm gonna try the spinnerbait around the pads. See, maybe if there's a big fish hiding in the pads. Before it gets dark, we're going to run to one more spot. Another one on the deep KBD 1.5. Still no keepers. Fish for about 15 more minutes and then call it night, but let's try our black spinnerbait. 15 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever we got left. All right, another bait, another fish. That might get us up to around 10 fish. I don't know for sure. A couple of them we didn't get in the boat. Almost got in the boat. Might be the last fish. Let's see, a couple more minutes. All the same size, getting some bites just at dark. This black spinnerbait. Alright, that does it. Not quite the night I was expecting. Oh well, we didn't get skunked. Didn't learn anything. Except October 1st is still as bad as September was. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and have a good day.